Same way I got up. One way or another. Uh-huh.
Let's get over that first big line.
Oh.
Bobby, go back behind you. Over here where we found the pot. It'll be easier to come right up. Come this way. Come over here where we found the pot. It'll be a lot easier to climb up that. That's where I'm going to come down. A lot easier. Yeah, you can see how easy it is. I found a rock right there right now. It's purple, like an amethyst.
That's sick.
That's why I'm up here looking. Like, plus, you look up here.
Did you have to get your knees into the dirt to climb up that?
Huh?
Did you have to get your knees into the dirt to climb up that?
No, not really. You can feel how it's kind of packed. You know what I mean? Keep your foot in it a little. To give you some strength.
One big wind's gonna fucking knock us down.
Not right there, dude. Too much of a good slant. Yeah, come up this way. There you go. Stand right there. That's where I found that rock. Yeah, right here. It's a lot easier to climb up there. That's a badass view, huh?
Yeah.
I like that right there.
Some fucking goat just comes, kicks us and shit.
Imagine, came down right here to us, starts talking.
We should try to get to them. Nah, fuck that.
Right there, that's how I was trying to.
Yeah, I know, but that's.
But I ain't trying to step on any of that because these chunks right here, well, there's some pieces that are a part of that. Yeah, look at that. There's a cave.
Where that person right there's like, oh fuck, look at these fucking dumbasses. They're like, oh, we see animals, and they're like, oh, those are fucking people.
Look how it's kind of purplish.
Yeah.
You see where the sun was hitting it with the green moss. But I mean, dude, it's right here. So I'm thinking maybe there's like a rock. See that?
Uh-huh.
That's all compressed over time and centuries, dude.
Damn, this tree feels so fake.
Right? Well, once it stabs you in the gut, you'll know. Look at, see? Sandstone. That's all this is, dude. Over time and fucking time again, it's just been compressed over time. Because this is a fault line. So this has been eroding upward. Yeah, see it?
Robert, the whole time I was coming up, was like, how are you gonna get down?
The same way.
I was like, the same way I got up here. He's like, every time I climbed up a little bit more, he's like, yeah, exactly. How are you gonna get down? Look at.
Don't be scared.
Yeah, I mean.
Come on, boy. Don't be scared. It's all good.
This guy's like, are they asking for help? Taking pictures? Because I have my hand in the air recording. Oh.
Look at this.
I was gonna try to put my GoPro in my hat, like the snapback part, and
Oh.
I was gonna put it up, like hold it like that, but it wouldn't fit. So I was like, fuck, I'm not gonna lose both of them. He'd start climbing up it, fucking hurts him.
Yeah, look, this is that. Take this with me.
You're headed down.
I spent hours just looking through these fucking rocks until I find something that's like, oh, okay. A lot of quartz. Look at that, dude. That's fucking beautiful. Dude, that's actually the color of the stone. Through and through.
That's crazy.
It's a 3-tone. So something had to happen at a certain time of the year, millions of years ago probably, to do that. To that green vein. Or actually probably the white vein.
Oh, there's a bigger one.
That one?
What is this on this one? There's black shit, green, purple.
Oh yeah.
Is it just dirt?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, there's some. Look at. This one's a good one.
No way. Just a piece of chunky quartz. Same thing here. Oh wow, look at that. Even more.
Yeah.
These are some nice pieces, dude. But this.
What's that one right there by the tree? Underneath a little bit right here? This one?
This?
No,
Oh,
this
dude.
one. Right by your knee. Oh, damn. That's a big ass.
Fuck. See what I'm saying? This one?
Yeah, because it looked weird.
Damn, dude, that's. Was just sitting there like that. That's pretty, dude. That's like the one I got in the house right now, the big fat square one.
Robert's down there. He's
Come
gonna
on up!
He's gonna be approached by that guy. Who's
What are you
taking
scared
pictures.
of? You ain't gonna fall. Come on, dude, don't be like that. Come on up. Just when you get up here, be like, oh, this is fucking badass.
And then we just have to wait for a helicopter, right? To air go
Right.
out.
I want to take this though.
It's just gonna be hard to take them down and know where they fell.
No. You take it down right to where the point's at and toss it to Robert.
Yeah. The other rock you tossed to Robert, that shit broke and the inside looks so nice.
Did it?
Yeah.
Look at that, dude. Gold man. Oh, we need a little peyote.
Was there anything interesting up higher this way?
I wanted to go up there, in that corner. Let's try it, dude. Here. Mix it here. Let's do it.
Look at how black that is.
That's why I want to go on top more. See some of the stuff.
Well, at least we have a photographer to document our death. Death
Huh?
and shit. I said at least we have a photographer to document our death.
Oh.
Yeah, this is way easier to climb than
That's what I was saying.
base.
First time Rob will come up here. Alright.
We climb mountains without safety equipment, motherfuckers. That's sharp. That's sharp. Fuck. What, you found something? Are we gonna cut to commercial? End the episode right there.
What do you think?
I mean, I think we can make that.
Just a matter of getting down?
Yeah, I don't know about the getting down part.
Because I'm looking at this could be the only other way. And look at all that loose gravel on it.
Yeah.
So that's too risky. Fuck, I want to go right there. Oh. What is that shit? Mistletoe?
What happened?
Is that mistletoe?
Oh, that? I don't know.
Right in front of us.
I don't know what that is. It has a whole bunch of bugs. It's crazy how there's not a single animal right here, you know. I wonder if we get up there, if there's like a little cave corridor type way.
No way. Woo! Where are those people at?
It was a guy taking pictures. He's probably over there by Robert.
Oh,
He's right there.
Oh, the big burnt tree?
Yeah.
And there's another one.
Another white one? Oh fuck. Look at this. Weird looking rock.
Ooh, this is for sparking too. That's what they make heads out of. Indian heads.
Oh fuck.
I think I can, dude. I think I got wild jasmine growing right here. The little green bushes, that's all wild jasmine right there. It's like an herb, you can actually eat that. Pinch it and smell it. See what it smells like. It smells like a spice, probably like some thyme.
Yeah.
Huh.
That's crazy.
That's where it all comes from.
That's nice. I hope I didn't get too much dirt in my GoPro, sticking it places to climb up.
Right. Let's see if I can get Bobby.
That show'll probably hurt him bad.
Ow.
Hit the water.
Yeah.
Heard that. Look at this. Oh.
It's all black.
Yeah. It's like that one, but it breaks. Huh?
Yeah, that's what this one is. Yep. Bobby, check it out. Here it comes. Check that one out. Your brother found that one right now. Yeah. All black and shiny. I have a feeling I can get up there, dude.
Yeah, I do too, but I don't know about these pants that I'm in right now. Oh, from over there?